this session trading. Got my 60-minute chart, I got a 1-minute chart, and a 5-minute chart. I've got order flow data for the 5-minute NQ and the 5-minute ES right below it. I just grabbed along down here at yesterday's New York Open. We popped up about 10 points from that area. On this chart, I've got the candle outlines painted by the ultimate HEIKIN ASHI, and then for the insides of the candle, I've got the ultimate delta painting the insides of the candles based off of per bar delta. So when it gets this more solid red color, that's when the bigger delta's coming through, and when it's light pink or light green, that's anything under 100. Then I've got even darker red and darker green colors for when delta exceeds 250. You can see on this move in the afternoon, as we were moving up here, had a bunch of strong negative delta on this candle. Then we got a nice little move down there back to the 20. I've got the polarity on this chart too, showing the imbalance signals and the washout signals. So you can see here I've got the ultimate HEIKIN ASHI. I'm using the HEIKIN ASHI trend, and then I am not painting the bars, I'm just painting the outline. So I've got the outline checked on. For the ultimate delta, it's painting the bars but not the outlines. I've got level 1, 2, and 3 activated. For the neutral and level 1 colors, I've got those the same. And for the neutral and level 1 down colors, I've got those the same. Then you can see my colors for the level 2 and the level 3. So that's when it exceeds 100 or 250. About to go to sleep and wake up and trade the New York Open. It's 9:32. Market just opened. We had the inside of this candle turning dark red intra-bar, somewhere up in the high 20s here, signifying a large amount of negative delta coming in. We made it all the way down to VWAP. I took a VWAP bounce trade, stacking some micros. Just grabbed a new Apex account as well with the 90% off sale. See, we got a nice strong imbalance signal on this candle to the upside. Some strong delta. Got a nice bounce off of VWAP there. Just got into a long on this candle intra-bar. We had a pretty big imbalance signal appear intra-bar, and the delta went strongly bullish. So as soon as we popped above VWAP, got into a long there. We're getting a little hold up here at the 15-minute center. Just got into a long. We had a bunch of imbalance signals to the upside, bunch of bottom wicks on these candles. We got a big washout signal on this candle, but when we pulled back, I got into a long, had a pretty nice bottom wick on this delta. I was also looking at this previous 5-minute candle, very strong delta on this previous 5-minute candle, so up over 30 points today so far. Just got a bounce trade long, so we approached the 50 level, had an imbalance signal appear intra-bar to the upside. I do love the 50 level. I got filled for the 10 points within a couple seconds. Also had a double 50% level. I've got the MMT 50/50 indicator on the 60-minute chart. These are 4-hour time frames, 50% levels. So that imbalance signal to the upside disappeared. Now we're getting one to the downside. We've had a few more to the downside along with some strong delta here, trying to push lower. The delta on the 5-minute is definitely more bearish now. Grabbed a long off of the S2 pivot. We've had a pretty mighty bounce from the S2 pivot as we are coming down. See, we had delta drying up here. Then we had some strong bullish delta come in. We got a nice 30-point pop there. And the selling resumed. We started getting all wicky. Got a washout signal down here. Delta turned bullish again. Then stronger bullish with some imbalance signals to the upside right around the S2 pivot. Getting this bounce back up. I just got a little short in, so we came up to London Open. Had a washout signal to the downside here. Only got 5 points. I chickened out. Thought it might keep going up towards VWAP. These moves are pretty dang big today, so just trying to be a little cautious. Looks like it would have got my full take profit there. Came right back up to this cluster of 50% levels. That's where we're getting the hold up. Check out this level on the Greek profile. This red line right here, very strong selling. This is the delta profile from the MMT Greek profile indicator. We came right up to that level to the tick. We just dropped off 30 points from there. Had some point of controls up in the wicks, some imbalance signals to the downside. I tried to get into a short, but I got a terrible fill. I hopped right out. I think I just got a couple points. I think I'm going to be done for the day. Just turned 10:30. We had this nice washout signal up here, a 7 washout, and an imbalance to the downside. Point of control up into the wick right off of the 250. You see the 250 SMA, this purple dashed line just held beautifully. Got a nice pullback back to the 20. Ended up pretty good in the green on the accounts, stacking the micros. And I just wanted to point out how beautiful and simple the MMT Ultimate HEIKIN ASHI looks on these charts. The candles on the 5 minute are being painted by the Ultimate HEIKIN ASHI. They're red all morning, then we turned green at 10:10, had a nice run up. Also, on the 1 minute chart, the outlines are being painted by the Ultimate HEIKIN ASHI. The HEIKIN ASHI trend, you can see we were red on these outlines all morning long, all through this whole down move, till this candle at 10:05. The HEIKIN ASHI trend outline turned green, and we've been green ever since. The MMT Ultimate HEIKIN ASHI is a very powerful, simple, beautiful tool. It's got a ton of other features as well besides the trend. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the absolute best. Thanks so much for your support. Apex has that crazy 90% off sale going on right now. Lucid, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, TradeDay, they all have good deals going on. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.